Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about creating parentages with flat file on Amazon in 2025. Let's get into it. Creating parentages on Amazon in 2025 is best done using a flat file upload, as the variation wizard often causes errors and delays. With a flat file, sellers have greater control over listing variations, ensuring updates process correctly without system rejections. The first step is to determine which products should be grouped under the same parent. Navigate to Seller Central, go to Inventory, and open Manage All Inventory. Identify the related products that will belong under one parent SKU. They must share a common attribute such as size, color, or scent. Keep track of their SKU numbers, as these will be needed in the flat file. Next, go to the Catalog section and select Add Products via Upload. Click Download Blank Spreadsheet and then Get Product Template. Locate the correct category by searching manually or selecting from Amazon's list. Choosing an incorrect category can lead to listing issues, so double check this step. Once the spreadsheet is downloaded, open it in Excel. The key fields to focus on include SKU, product type, update, delete, parentage, parent SKU, variation theme, and relationship type. First, create a unique parent SKU, which acts as a placeholder connecting all the child ASINs. Label this SKU as parent under the parentage column. Then for all child ASINs, mark them as child and reference the parent SKU in the appropriate field. Select a variation theme that matches the product type, such as size, color, or scent. This step is essential for Amazon to recognize the relationship between variations. Under Update, Child Delete, choose the correct update type. Full Update requires all fields to be completed, while Partial Update only modifies selected fields without removing existing data. If a product needs to be deleted from the catalog, use the Delete option. Before uploading, carefully review the flat file to avoid formatting errors. Even small mistakes can lead to processing failures. Once everything is verified, go back to Add Products via Upload, select the file, and submit it for processing. It may take some time for Amazon to process the update. If errors occur, check the Upload Status section for troubleshooting. Using a flat file for parentage creation ensures listings are correctly structured, minimizing system errors and making bulk updates easier. If any issues arise, reviewing the error report will help identify and resolve problems efficiently. By following this method, sellers can successfully create variations and improve their product catalog on Amazon. If you have any questions or want help growing your brand on Amazon, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.